month-long trip we explored Italy on our motorbikes. Last episode we rode the North Apennines on our way to Pisa. In this episode we explore the hills of Tuscany and continue our way to Rome. Leaving Pisa, we entered the hills of Tuscany, heading for Volterra. Volterra is a mountaintop town guarded by city walls. Its history dates from before the 8th century BC. Here you find structures from Etruscan origin, as well as Roman and medieval times. Monteriggioni is a small medieval town just southeast of Siena. The town is surrounded by walls. It was built by the city-state of Siena as a defensive fortification in the wars against Florence. We had booked an agriturismo in Pienza. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pope Pius II was born here in 1405. When he became Pope, he rebuilt the city to the Renaissance standards of that time. The city name Pienza means the city of Pius. After cruising the Tuscan roads, the traffic in Rome was a totally different experience. In the next episode, more about exploring the capital of Italy. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or remarks, leave a note in the remark box. I will read it and react. When you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And do consider to support the channel by subscribing.